So yun, insan, good morning. Day 23, Jordan Day. Let's go!
Jordan days, guys.
Jordan Day, let's go!
Sobra na malamig dito. Ay, hindi, mainit na pala yan.
Yes, today is hot. Pero hoodiable pa rin. So today mga insan, may nagustong bag kahapon si Bunso. I mean wallet ng LV. So bibilang ko na siya. Hindi ko na hihintayin yung 200k followers or subscribers. Uunahan na natin agad. Nagustuhan niya eh. So pagkapalit na babae, hihingi, bigay agad. Actually hindi niya naman hiningi, nagustuhan niya lang. So I saw the joy. Let's go, let's get it. Boss, LV daw.
LB ba? Wait lang.
Uy, tangina mo, gago ka. So yan, tingin muna tayo ng wallet, yung nagustuhan ni Bunso kahapon.
Mas maganda to.
Wala na.
Maganda yan.
Checking na insan.
Look, it has difference.
What?
Look at the stitches.
Oh God.
Oh my God.
Look.
What's
Right?
the difference?
Look at the stitches. It's a prank!
Tangina mo.
No, I'm gonna get this one.
Yeah, for sure. Put this one aside.
Okay, so yun mga insan, ito yung nakita ni Bunso kahapon. This one? Ito yung nagustuhan niya.
We'll start with this one first.
Yeah, sure.
What's your phone number?
Little things, no problem.
222.
Okay na, masaya na dapat siya, okay? Social naman. Iba talaga pag lovebirds.
Ako na stress dyan.
Sobrang nakuripot sister-in-law ko yan. Putang. Enjoy life. Payment na Mumbai. Payment. Solved. G sir G. So okay, done na LV ni Bunso yan. So what's next, bro? Let's go casino. Let's make it happen. Let's make the magic work.
Ayun mo, available 3,000 ba?
Okay, so mga insan, done deal.
Hindi na siya makakatulog sa gabi.
Matutulog siya kasama ng wallet. Ganun.
Hindi na siya makakatulog pa may gabi. Stress.
Ano, tara, bawiin na natin?
Okay lang, hadid ko muna siya sa bahay.
Sige, bawiin na natin. Grabe kanina sa harap ng LV, sobrang dami na insan na Pilipino na nagpa-picture yan. Ako na, shy type. Makaisip ng mga tao sa loob, sino nang gago yan? I'm nobody. Wala na utok. Wala lang. Naghanap kami ng CR. Sobra na wala CR Canada Mall. Sobra na maganda weather yan. Handa sa aeroplane. Oh, nagsara manual.
Hi. Wala nang hi.
Dahil na, nahinihingal naman na ako mabilis. So mga insan, nandito na sa bahay. Bibigyan na namin yung bulsa. Merry Christmas! Ching, 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 ching. Unbox.
So plastic.
Unbox. Show me. Unboxing. Oh my God.
Richness is the key. Oh.
Tama, perfect.
Perfect. Ito yung gusto ko, guys.
Okay.
Please do subscribe, Mr. Nobody. Para
Love you. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Sobra na mo iputok.
Ay, but very red.
Ganyan siya, yan yun. Pinakita ko sa video, yan yun. Wala na silang ibang color. Yung isa pink.
Hindi, meron pa yung isa dark pink.
Wala na.
Wala na.
Yan yun. Yan yung nakita mo kahapon.
Maganda na rin to. Pangilang mahal guys, so 910.
Wala yan. So guys, paldo si boss. From $25.
Huwag na mo sabihin ko.
Okay. Malas.
Huwag na meron na dyan batuwa kasi may
Yes, he got you. The Black Mamba. What's up, girl? Pizza 73 for tonight. Double. Hot sauce. So guys, kain na tayo pizza yan. Sobrang na masarap.
Pizza. It's P-I-J-A. Pizza. Pizza.
50.
50. Okay guys, see you tomorrow sa vlog ni Mr. Nobody. Subscribe, more followers na yan. Sobrang linis na puso tao na yan. Sa mga ingit yan. Wala kayo kwenta yan. Umalis na kayo yan. Bobo. Putang na yan. Bawal. Sabihin na naman nila malutang. Putang na nagago kayo yan. Go. Sensor na lang yun. Sobra na.
Magko-question and answer kami ni Bunso and ikaw mag-start. Ladies first. Ikaw mag-start. Ladies first. Ladies first.
Guys, please comment down below kung saan pwedeng pumunta ng Edmonton. Kasi naghanap ko.
Ang stupid naman. Question. Ano yung gusto mong itanong sa akin?
Tatanong ko sa mga instance.
Okay.
Wag kang
Hindi, tanong ka. Dali.
Stupid.
Tanong ka, dali.
Yung totoong sasagot mo
Oo.
Lagay ka ng...
Ikaw din
Ilagay mo sa kamay mo, ilagay mo sa baba ng kamay mo ang katotohanan na sabihin mo kahit hindi ako magsisinungaling kahit kailan.
Oo, sige.
Hindi naman inaano ko ang Diyos sa sarili kong katawan. Sabi mo muna.
Ikaw rin.
Ako din.
Game, go.
Natikman mo na kulangot, no? Anong lasa?
Gummy, masarap, salty.
Ina mo yun dyan, nakakadiri ka sa tingin mo matutuwa sila sa'yo.
Hindi, sinasabi ko lang may totoo.
Until now, nagkukulangot ka.
Nagkukulangot ako pero hindi
Kinakain mo ba rin? Hindi. Sabi mo,
hindi.
Minsan ginawa niya na yung sarapan mo
Hindi. Ngayon?
Oo.
Ulul.
Gumaganon siya guys, so pakita ko sa inyo. Pero hindi ako sabi.
Panoorin nyo, tignan mo. Puro, yan yung sinasabi ni Bayo na edited.
Hindi guys.
Lahat ng mga kwento niya edited. Edited na parang lalagyan niya ng, alam mo, papaganda niya yung kwento para, hindi, wait lang. Lalagyan niya yung kwento ng parang maging crispy. Sige. Pakinggan natin.
Ganyan siya guys, tignan niyo. Ganyan. Kasi tingin siya, tapos.
Hindi totoo yan. Nung bata, pero ngayon hindi. Sinungaling ka.
Ay, ganun.
Ano pa? Tanong ka pa?
Hindi, tapos sa one at a time, hindi naman ako
Bakit ang lakas ng putok mo 2 days ago?
Ay, hindi yan totoo, guys. It was not true.
Oh my God, update.
Yan, bumabawi ka sa
Hindi! Ayaw mo naman maniwala.
Tanong nyo kahit sino sa katrabaho kong mga sa insan natin, never ako naging mabaho. I smell good.
2 days ago? Oh my God. Tangin na yung
Inuwian
parang,
niya lang ako
yung kanal na inihiyan, Diyos ko.
Hindi.
Pero sige, okay lang.
Wait,
Respeto,
wait,
sige.
Jokes apart. Cut. Seryoso ba? Hindi ako mabaho guys. Kami naman minsan sabi niya mabaho. Game. Totong questions. Cut. You first.
Ikaw, ladies first.
Hindi.
Ikaw
Hindi
nga.
naman lahat ng bagay.
Ikaw nga.
First,
My
gentlemen.
God. Sige. Gano'n mo kamahal sila, mama at papa?
Oh my God, sobra.
Bakit di mo sila inuwian every year?
Kasi alam nyo guys, sa amin kasi sa India, pag kinasal ng babae, hindi naman lahat, pero ako kasi nung kinasal na ako, maybe you watched it guys, sa vlogs ni Kuya. Nung kinasal na ako, pumunta ako dito, nung nakakuha ko ng PR, inuwian ko sila mama, papa, pero alam mo feeling yung deep inside, my heart always crushes kasi namimiss ko sila. Siya rin, pinilit ko siya dito pumunta kasi namimiss ko lahat. Di ko lang may pakita kasi ang babae kasi sa India guys, they have to handle 2 families. Family ng asawa niya, family niya.
Wow, anong hinahandle mo sa family namin? Ang kapal naman ng mukha mo. Simula nung kinasal ka na?
I mean,
putang ina.
Hindi naman,
Tangina lang, grabe yun
maintindihan
Tangina handling 2 families, wow.
Yes, hindi mo nag-gets
Tangina tindi mo sis. Sige, explain mo, explain mo, sige.
Guys, hindi yan naintindihan niya, pero mga insan na babae dyan, silang mag-explain sa'yo.
My God, you don't
Handling
handle...
means not giving money. Handling means it's hard to handle talaga 2 families. Kasi yung pinanggalingan ko iba, yung pinuntahan ko
Excuse
iba.
me, you don't handle my parents. God damn it, simula nung kinasal ka.
Excuse me.
Kayo ni Mandip, god damn it. Wala kayong tinulong, guys.
Kahit na hindi laging...
Ano nyo, masyado kayong feeling. Yan ba yung... Yan na, lumalabas yung pagka-Canadian.
Hindi pagka...
Ako. Yung pagkaka-ako nila.
Hindi mo nagigets kasi
My God.
ako pinapatapos yun.
Sige, magsalita ka. Hindi, magsalita ka.
Pangit sa'yo. Hindi
Papatapos ko na.
You're so much... there's so much pain in the head. You know that?
Babato ko tong iPad sa'yo, putang ina. Ayusin mo.
Basta, ganun. I love my
Masaya ka naman sa buhay mo?
I love my kuyas.
Masaya ka naman sa buhay mo?
Oo naman. Happy naman.
Tanong ka na, buwisit.
Yun ang ayaw ko. Yung yabang
Bilis,
mo
bilis.
Attitude.
Bilis,
Sige,
dali.
tatanong ako sa'yo insan. Paano mo nagustuhan mo ba Canada?
Hindi. Wala kang mapasyalan dito, nakaka-depress yung buhay niyo dito. Puro kayo trabaho, bahay. Wala kayong personal life na na-enjoy. Pag uwi kayo from work, maglilinis lang kayo ng bahay, manonood na ng TV. Pupunta lang kayo ng mall, bibili ng good shit, yun lang. Okay, sabihin na natin nabibili yung LV, Gucci, Prada. Okay, lahat ng luxury brands na bibili nyo dito dahil sa mataas na pay na kinikita nyo. Pero hindi yan yung life. Your life is so fucking boring. Lang kwenta. Hindi naman lahat, pero hindi lahat pera kasi. Hindi nyo na-enjoy yung buhay nyo dito. Nakaka-depress buhay ng mga tao dito. Oo, siguro para sa mga ibang kababayan natin, na-enjoy nila yung malaking pera. Palit 40 to 50.
Food Valley Kitchen Cabinets, guys. Kung kailangan nyo magpagawa ng cabinet, shop po ang inyong 10% discount to all the Filipinos. May bago siyang gupit.
Okay, let's ask Bayaw.
Bayaw.
Okay, brother, when did you come here in Canada?
Do that.
What year?
Yes.
2014.
2014.
Yes.
How was your struggle days in 2014?
Very hard.
Why was it hard?
Bayaw, you're so plastic. I always tell Bayaw.
No,
So
but
plastic.
family was giving you money and you were working, right?
Yes. So much work.
So much work. What was your first work here in Canada?
7-Eleven.
He was a 7-Eleven boy. How many months or years did you spend in 7-Eleven working? 1 year working? As a student?
Yes.
And did you finish your school?
No.
Why?
Part-time working.
No, you did not finish your school?
You did not study college?
I did, but I was working part-time in 7-Eleven.
Oh, he means he also worked part-time and he's also...
Are you a
studying.
graduate?
Yes.
There you go. You're a graduate of what? What did you
After
study?
graduate, I started kitchen cabinet company.
Really? In Vancouver?
Yes.
You had your own company?
Yes.
Wow.
No, not at first. You struggled, right? You work in another person's company first.
No, he is right.
Yeah, I started
Yeah, you worked under some Sony guy, right?
Sony guy, yes.
Yeah. That guy was a good guy?
Very nice guy.
Palitan niyo yun, guys. Iba yun.
Very nice guy.
Very nice guy. He helped me a lot in every field.
It's okay. That's how you... And you learned your kitchen and cabinets from him, right?
Yes, he's my teacher.
He's your mentor?
Ustad.
Ustad.
In Punjabi,
Ustad. He was his mentor.
Yes.
The guy is very rich,
Then
right?
after 2017,
Very rich.
you meet me. How does that feel?
How
when
was
you
the
meet me?
feeling when it was your first marriage arrangement?
No special feeling.
No special feeling?
No.
Yeah, because you were stressed about Canada, right?
Yeah, very stressing life here.
Yeah, because I think he was waiting for PR, whatsoever. Now he's a Canadian! Canadian citizen!
So, I don't matter to you that time?
No matter, no matter.
Boom! No matter before now, you matter.
Yes.
Now, how much I matter?
100%.
That's a plastic one. Bayaw don't love me, guys. I know Bayaw. Then after you tell the story when you meet me, how did you feel? Do I was pretty that time?
Very pretty.
No, I'm not pretty. Guys, maganda ako nung di ako kinasal. Pretty, ganda ko. So,
mukha siyang tanga nun. Ngayon mukha na siyang...
So,
mukha na siyang homeless.
you tell everyone how pretty I was when...
Very pretty. Now you are very...
Disgusting, ugly.
Bayaw that face, you're
Smelly.
telling everyone that I'm not pretty, Bayaw that face
No,
is
no,
not
but
good.
people in the comment section, they're saying you are pretty.
Yes.
You look like mom. You're pretty.
So why I'm not pretty to you? Why you always say I look like auntie?
They're saying you look like a mom.
Yeah, I look like a mom, but you say I look like auntie. Why?
Mom and auntie, same thing.
No, I am not. You
Yes,
think
it's same. It's same.
So you're saying I'm auntie?
Yes. The way you dress, oh my God, you look ugly.
Guys, ganyan kasi ang buhay dito. Ako kasi yung tipong tao.
Putangin na insan, magpapajama lang yan, ganyan oh. Pakita ko Ganyan yan, magpajama.
Nakita na yung pet mo sa likod.
Ganyan yan, magpajama. Tapos pag nakatayo yan, ganyan. Nung inabangan niya ako sa airport, ganyan. Kuya! I was like, what the fuck, man? Diba?
Guys, nung dalaga pa ako, you put the camera here, Beo. You
They can see you. Are you blind?
Okay. So nung dalaga pa ako, guys, kasi yung ginagawa ko para kay Bayaw. Ngayon, ginagawa ko rin, pero alam nyo, pag may problema ka kasi, it's not my fault. It's not like gusto kong tumaba. Ganun talaga pag babae pag nagkaka-problema. See?
Light भी चाहिए अपन focus कर ले.
I'm trying hard, guys.
That's number one bullshit.
Yeah, but nawala yung question and answer natin. You ask your
Duty!
We are welcome. Cut. We are welcoming the sensation. We are welcoming the sensation of Philippines, Magus Magus. We are welcoming the sensation of Philippines, Magus Magus, who invented incense. Let's do this. We prepared the hot seat for Mr. Nobody.
Thank you.
Yes, tatanungin natin siya ng sobrang madaming question. The weather is so cold, kailangan niya papainit.
Nako po, thank you po. Thank you po.
Royalty.
I have
is
the
enough.
king's robe.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Baka mahulog ka dyan.
Thank you.
And, okay guys, magtatanong na tayo sa sensation Megas Megas. Humarap ka dito, huwag kang attitude. Humarap ka dito.
Okay. Akala ko, iba yung kausap mo eh.
Okay. That's the sensation, Mr. Nobody Duty. Cameraman, please go back. That's good. Okay. Tanong na tayo kay Mr. Nobody. Anong ang iyong pakiramdam nung nakilala mo ang mga incense natin dito sa Canada?
It feels so good. It feels like home.
Tagalog.
It feels like, para ako nasa Pilipinas.
Okay. So, para daw siyang nasa Pilipinas, guys, nung na-meet niya kayo. So, ba't mo sinasabing ayaw mo yung Canada, pero dito tumaas ang mga inyong Facebook, ang iyong YouTube, ang iyong views?
Actually, hindi. Tumaas lang dito, YouTube ko. Tapos, nakita ko rin sa engagement. Tumaas from the Philippines.
See? So,
From the
thank
Philippines.
your fans in Canada.
Thank you, mga insan. Thank you so much.
Yes.
It's an honor.
Okay. So, where is your next destination plans?
After neto, gusto ko na umuwi ng Philippines.
Yes.
Of course, I'm going back to my mom and dad. I miss them so much. And after that, I'm planning to go to Siargao. I want to explore Siargao and I want to vlog Siargao. And
Where is Siargao?
it's in the Philippines. You don't.
Oh!
My God.
Di ko kasi napuntahan, guys.
Some people are so dumb from the brain.
Okay. Okay. Cameraman cut. So, bakit insan hindi mo na-feel ang Canada pero ang dami mong nakuha ang pagmamahal dito? Huwag mo i-compare mga buhay namin kasi buhay namin yun. Joke.
Boring. Wala tayong napupuntan dito. Mall lang.
Yes, yes.
It's just the malls.
Yes.
After that, Lake Louise, Banff, Calgary. It's just going to a town with a lot of depression people you're meeting there, you know?
Yeah, that's true.
You guys are... okay, for example, wala kami dito. You guys are depressed?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Not all the time. Sometime. Kasi insan, used to it na kami. Ikaw kasi hindi pa. So, kaya ganun. Kaya siya kasi guys, hindi yan nafe-feel yun. Pero kami, 3 years na. So, yeah, nakaka-depress kasi walang pamilya. So, punta tayo kay Mr. Nobody again.
Choke.
Hindi na choke. Bukod sa pagiging famous mo, sa mga instance mo, pagmamahal mo sa kanila, pagmamahal nila sa'yo. Pag dumami na yung mga likes mo, dumami ng YouTube followers mo, anong pwede mong ibalik sa mga instance natin?
Ang goal namin ni Mama is tumulong sa mahihirap. So, mag-iipon ako ng sobrang dami hanggang sa kaya ko mag-ipon kasi hindi naman ako maluhong tao. So, yeah, gusto namin tumulong sa taong mga nangangailangan. Yun yung goal namin ni Mama.
Yes.
Which is hindi nyo kayang gawin ng kuya ko.
Excuse me.
Kasi masyado kayong mukhang pera.
Ay, ang kapal ng mukha mo. Iba na to, guys.
Sinasabi ko sa'yo ayus-ayusin mo yung podcast mo. Guys, hindi ako bayad dito. Tama na. Tama na tong kalukuhan na to. Stop it! Stop that! God damn it! Stop it! Stop it! What? Cut it! No, man!
He was the cameraman, so I'm gonna ask Bayo too. How do you feel about your brother-in-law?
Very nice guy.
Very nice guy?
Yeah.
Good heart?
Yeah, I like this guy.
Thank you, man.
You like this guy?
Thank you, Baba.
Okay, you like it? Really? From the heart? What else? What can you say about your brother-in-law?
Why the fuck do I... Oh, yung putang ina. Oh my God, my iPad is fucked. My iPad is fucked.
Ba't mo kasi nilalagay sa likod? Hindi, okay lang yun.
My iPad is fucked.
Apple is the best. Kaya Apple, please, Philippines, Apple, get my kuya in your...
Mabuhay. Welcome to Philippine Airlines.
So, mga insan. Oh my God. There's a Punjabi. This is budget.
Hindi niya kaya, guys. Hindi niya kayang i-beat yung pagkaano ko. I'm the best from the rest. Bayaw cannot beat me.
Okay guys, that's my vlog for today. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe, follow, Makos na yan mga insan. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. God bless you. Wala na kami.
Wait. Can you ba na medyo madumi? Oo. Ngayon tignan nyo. Yung mga... Ngayon tignan nyo.